First thing I've done is I've gone ahead and I've opened everything and I pulled out my alphabetties. I'm going to need them for marking. So that's what this is. And let's start cutting. I've taken all my little pieces and sewn them together by following the instructions, and then I pressed all my seams to the dark side with the exception of where the green is, and that's because there's a lot of bulk right here and it will lay flatter going out that way. Plus there's no seams that it's interfering with. But just follow the instructions and you will get this, and you'll notice things are a little not quite so straight. So at this point I'm going to straighten it up, and I've already pressed it, but we will straighten it up and then add this to the top and bottom, and then the block will be done. All right, there is our home. Then it's going to get this and this trimmed up, and then up on the wall it goes till the next block. All right, home is done, except it will get a little bow tie just like this picture. And so what it suggests that you do is you take the large piece, fold it in half, and turn it inside out, so you've got your little turn hole. Then slip stitch it shut, or however you want to do it, but you're going to wait until after the quilt is assembled and quilted before you add this embellishment to it. But you're going to gather it and stick it right here when you're done, when you're ready for it, and then it's basically a wreath. So I have a feeling there's going to be some other things like this on here. Let's look at this a little closer. So here's that home. I know we're going to have applique with this, possibly this. Oh, there's actually quite a bit of applique. That'll be fun. I don't know if there's anything else. I can't tell by the picture that will stick up or be on top of it. Maybe the bow on top of this stack of presents. So we'll just follow the instructions and go along. But basically this block is done, and I'm going to put this aside and keep it with it for when I'm ready to attach it. Basically just remember that you're going to have a lot of little pieces, and every piece matters. I thought I was short a piece, and really I had an extra piece because I cut extra. So it was actually easier to come together. I was kind of wondering wondering how hard it was going to be when I saw all of those little pieces. All of these were the markings for this. I put all the others away. That's a lot, and came together super easy, super slick. My points are not on point. This one doesn't matter because the bow tie is going to go there, but that one, I think from a distance it will be fine, and it's my first time really dealing with that, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think this is going to be so cute when it is done. Can't wait. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.